12 plus 8 equals 20 divided by 2 minus 3, right? Now 20 divided by 2 equals 10 minus 3, and 10 minus 3 equals 7. But this is wrong. Why? Because multiplication and division must be done first, then addition and subtraction, right? So now let's solve it correctly. Follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule, right? Divide first, right? Not multiply. Okay, 12 plus 8 divided by 2 equals 4 minus 3. Now addition and subtraction from left to right. 12 plus 6, 12 plus 4 equals 16 minus 3. And 16 minus 3 equals 13.